I'm originally from Northeast PA, up in the Montrose area. My dad is an engineer as well, and he got a job at a bridge company up in Elmira, New York. And we moved up there as a family, and I lived near Troy, Pennsylvania. I had a typical upbringing. We lived out in the country. I enjoyed baseball and football, and then I went to Cedarville University. And at Cedarville, I majored in mechanical engineering. Cedarville is a private liberal arts college. It's about 3,000 students. They're based about 40 minutes west of Columbus, Ohio. And they have Christian base. When I was at Cedarville, I was involved in a prison ministry where we would go and visit with people in a local prison on Sunday mornings, kind of like a church service. When I graduated, I worked for the same company that my dad did. As I got into it, interacting every day with specifically truss bridges, I developed a love for it, kind of like my dad has, and it became what I wanted to do. I live with my wife Mindy in Central PA, in Hummelstown. We enjoy visiting covered bridges in our free time. Actually, the second date that we went on, I took her on a covered bridge tour in the Muncie area, and it was 8 bridges, and it kind of ignited an interest in both of us in that area. So we have since attempted to see the majority of the covered bridges in Pennsylvania. I like to hunt in the fall for deer archery and rifle. I also play church softball quite actively. I also lift weights 2 to 4 times a week, depending on how busy I am. My favorite aspect of working at JHA companies is collaborating with my coworkers on a project. That interaction is important to me. I am part of the architectural department, so I'll work on buildings. I will work with the engineering team for land development and the architectural team for the building part of a project. And then I'll have to many times have a survey completed, so I'll be able to work with the guys in the survey team. But I also do bridge projects that I run. I like the culture. I like how we approach customers, how we work with people and try to help them. It's not a transactional operation, but it's people are human beings, and I enjoy that. I like the direction of the company as far as a faith-based organization and how we donate money to faith-based causes. Well, I've known Joe Hunt for some time. I've had some interactions with him because I've spent time in the Montrose area, and friends of mine have known him. I know the kind of person he is and the faith that he has. It aligns with my own belief system, and I know that he is about treating people well, and he cares about people, and that was a big thing for me.